This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bagel sandwiches the only way. We'll start by selecting the perfect bagel, ensuring it's fresh and ready for toasting. Then, we'll move on to choosing the ideal spread, whether it's classic cream cheese or something more adventurous. Finally, we'll layer in delicious fillings to create a truly exceptional and satisfying meal, perfect for any time of day. First, carefully slice your chosen bagel in half, ensuring an even cut for perfect balance. Next, toast it to a light golden brown. This adds a delightful warmth and subtle crispness. Now, generously apply about 2 tablespoons of your favorite cream cheese to each half. This creamy foundation is crucial for the ultimate bagel sandwich experience, providing a rich and smooth base. Now for the exciting part, layering your fillings. Start with 2 to 3 slices of your preferred protein, perhaps smoked salmon or thinly sliced turkey. Then, add fresh, vibrant vegetables like crisp lettuce and juicy tomato slices. Don't forget a few rings of red onion for that essential zesty crunch. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like dill truly elevates the flavors. To complete your masterpiece, gently place the top half of the bagel onto your beautifully layered fillings. Press down lightly to secure everything in place. For easier enjoyment, slice your bagel sandwich cleanly in half. Serve it immediately to savor the perfect combination of textures and tastes. This is truly the only way to experience a bagel sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.